Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for the brief yet vivid.
India will host a contingent of 88 athletes.
Panda, Special Secretary from the department, other senior and the junior colleagues from the department, and other dignitaries who have come here, and friends from both print and electronic.
I must place on record and thank the government of Odisha.
आरंभ करके 26 रे ब्रोंज लेवल रो सिल्वर लेवल को अपग्रेड होईछि तो एटा निश्चित भाव में इंडियन एथलेट्स और ओडिशा रो उदीयमान एथलेट्स मान को गोटे बढ़िया कंपटीशन ग्राउंड दबो जहाँकि आगो जाए भल कर स्पोर्ट्स कैरियर ता छड़ा जो मैंने आमर किड्स अच्छा जो मैंने व्यूअर्स से मैंने आगामी दिन में एथलेटिक्स मोटिवेटेड वेरी गुड प्लाटफॉर्म।
सर एशियन गेम पाई तो ऑलरेडी पिला सिलेक्शन होती जो खेलटा कौन से माने जो माने एशियन गेम में सिलेक्शन होती से प्रैक्टिस गोटे भल सुजोग मिले ना आउ कौन आशा रखुच आम जो ओडिया एथलेटिक माने किसी फायदा उठाई पारे
निश्चित भाव में बहुत गोटे भल प्लाटफर्म पाइबे ओडिया एथलेट मैंने जो मैंने भी सिलेक्ट तो फाइनल है आप नेक्स्ट प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस जानवे से मैंने निश्चित भाव में गोटे भल प्रैक्टिस ग्राउंड पाइले आगे जाइए भल करेंगे आमर ओडिया एथलेट मैंने मोटिवेटेड है।
सर ये वर्षा वर्षार किसी बाधा हम कि जेहतु आप जानते हैं वर्षा होची वर्षार एथलेटिक मान कुछ समस्या सम्मुखीन होगा पड़े
कथा केमती कह
in this one-day championship, out of which 88 players are Indian players, 100 players are international players, and 143 players are from Asia. This is a one-day event. We have as many as 36 athletes out of the 188 who are ranked in the top 50 in the world. Amongst them, we have the Olympic bronze medalist from Zambia in the 400 meters, who's ranked 6th in the world. We have the Commonwealth gold medalist in shot put from Nigeria. We have Sri Shankar, twice silver medalist in the long jump, who's ranked 27th in the world. We have Tejinder Tu, double Asian gold medalist. We have our own Animesh Kunjur, who will run the 100 meters. The national record holder is the 200 meters also, so he will be running. Javelin throw is going to be a very, very interesting event. The 100 meters hurdle, Jyoti Yaraji will be taking part. So it's a top class field, and this is the silver level meet. It's going to be an excellent competition before the Asian Games, because this is preparation for the Asian Games, and we hope that the athletes will do well. Also, this is a very proud moment for the government of Odisha and the sports department of Odisha, because last year it was bronze, this time it becomes silver. Again, in 2028, Odisha for the first time ever has won the bid to host the World Championships for indoors in India. In the history, India has never held a track and field indoor championships or an outdoor championship. We also have won in Odisha the indoor Asian championships. So Odisha is leading the way and showing the way for sports in this country. It is again in line with the vision of the Honorable Prime Minister to make India a sporting powerhouse. It's very important because we have 700 million youth in India, and it is very important to keep the youth engaged in sports activities, and make a fit India. So it all is falling in place, and the government of Odisha is doing a great job in that respect. So the government of Odisha, along with the Athletic Federation of India, is leading the way. Athletic Federation of India is also leading the way in all the sports, because it's the #1 sport federation today. It's also runs the largest grassroots level program in the world. So both the #1s coming together we are sure that the future of India is safe and in good hands.
Sir,
Thank you.
please repeat the prize money.
Huh?
Repeat the prize money of silver.
So is $1,600 for the first place, $1,200 for the second place, $900 for the third place, $600 for the fourth place, $400 for the fifth place, and $300 for the sixth place. So this is the prize money for the silver level continental tour.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.